guys, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. On this video I'm going to do these side view mirrors. I'm going to do a 50-50 shot on them, and I was cleaning this car on my last video and did a little bit of a one pass on these side view mirrors with the microfiber and some all-purpose cleaner, and I stopped there. The more I started thinking about it, the more I figured, you know, they look okay, they don't look as good as I feel like I can make them look, and with relative ease. So that's where the 50-50 shot's going to come in. I'm going to tape this off and do a 50-50 shot and continue down the path on this on one side and leave the other side as it stands. Got it taped off, and I'm going to take this microfiber and some all-purpose cleaner and go back to work here. I think it's extremely clean and should be ready for dressing to be applied. So here we go. Shake up your pearl, and this is diluted 3-to-1, and I just got a little sponge applicator. I'm going to spray some pearl into it. See. 4 or 5 sprays, and then go over here to your mirror. Just want to wipe this in. Kind of level it off with the other side. I'm just going to take a dry microfiber and kind of buff this in. Make sure it's dry. Now I'm going to take the tape off. See what the difference is here. I think a huge difference there. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but here's your 50-50 shot. The left side has pearl applied. So I'm going to go through and finish the rest, and this is something that, you know, for my 80% rule, I decided to make an exception and try to make this look perfect again. So, you know, this left side over here, I'd say that looks perfect. So that's going to be the end of this video. I just really wanted to show how awesome CarPro PERL works on your exterior plastics and trim. I love CarPro PERL. It's a great product because it's so economical and highly dilutable. So, you know, one bottle lasts me a long time, and I do a lot of cars. So I would highly recommend picking up a bottle. I'm going to leave links in the product description. I've seen some new subscriptions here lately, so it's awesome to see new subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys. Appreciate your viewership. Can't thank you enough. And so if you do like the video, please smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I got probably another handful of videos left on this Crown Vic. I got 20 so far. Probably could do 20 more. So I'm going to show you a before and after shot. And thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.